shooting pretty much the wind dead at my back. We got that first one at 200, and then we jumped back to 270. 200. I'm gonna put an inch and a half on it. We got it. I hit the scope. I did. Hit the camera, not the scope. All right. Gonna shoot the first one right on, and we're gonna use Kentucky windage on the 270s in the back. Oh, you little prick. Ran out of the camera. Oh, can I see you? There you are. Still at that 270. I'm going to take it up 2.5 minutes on the scope. God, there's a whole bunch of them. Look at them all. Oh, there's a double. Give me a triple. Nope. Yep, right on top. That's AR action there, folks. Once I figured out that hair bit of wind, I got a bit of, I thought it was right at my back, but it's a little right to left. That's 270 yards with an AR, picking them one at a time.